Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to make this bracelet. It's very easy and you can make them in any color of beads that you would like. As you can see, you can mix and play with the colors, but for us we're going to use the white pearls. So you will need, of course, you will need your pearl beads. We're going to use size 8 mm and also the smaller beads in size 5 mm. Yes, so for our cord, you will use any cord that you have. For me, I don't know the size of this cord. This is a thread that I got from a project I was doing, a fashion project. So they're just leftover thread. And you can use long cords, but for me, mine are shorter because I had cut them before. So you'll need five strings of the choice of your thread. Then now you pick two as shown in the video. Then you lay them on your working table as shown. Then now you pick the other two and you lay them across the first two as shown. Make sure that that they are equal, yeah, by doing what I'm doing on the video. So make sure that all the sides are equal. Just like that. So now, yeah, so this is how your cords should look like. Now you take the cord as shown in the video and you fold it over the two cords above like that. Then you pick the two other cords and you fold them over like that. So just follow what I'm doing in the video. It's very easy and you'll get used to it. It's called a Chinese knot. So then you fold the other cord, the other two cords, just like that. And finally, the other two cords, and you insert them through the first fold like that. So this is how your knot should look like. So now you'll pull all the cords equally. So pull them equally, just like I'm doing in the video. Pull them equally. And finally tighten the knot. Yes, so now our knot is tight and we are ready to start working. Remember, I'm doing this is a hack for if you have shorter threads or cord, because macrame uses longer thread or cord. Now we're working with shorter thread and we'll make it work using the macrame technique. So now you will lay your work flat on the working surface and you will pick the two middle cords and you will insert your bead, the bigger bead. Yeah, just like that. Then now you take the outer cord and you will insert three smaller beads. do the same for the other thread. So you will insert 3 beads, so this is how your work should look like. So for the next part, just watch keenly and follow what I'm doing. This is called a macrame technique, so follow what I am doing in the video. So this is our first knot. Now you will make the second knot. So that is our second knot. Now make the last knot. Now that is our last knot. So that's it. It's very easy. Now the next part, you will just repeat what you've done by picking one bead, the larger bead, and passing it through the middle cords. Just like that. And you pass the 3 smaller beads on the outer threads, outer cords. So we are done. Now repeat the macrame technique, but this time you will do it until you get to the end of the thread. If we're using longer cords or thread, you can continue as you'd like. For me, mine are shorter, so the length of the macrame will depend with the thread that you're using. So macrame until you get to the end, to your desired length. Remember, we all have different sizes of wrists, so also take that into consideration. So do that until you get to the end of the cord, or to your desired length. So we are done. Now you will turn your work and work on the other half by repeating what you've done with the first half. So just pick one big bead and you pass it through the middle two cords and repeat the process. So I will speed up the video. So now we are done. So the next step, you will cut off this extra tail that you have. But remember, I highly recommend that if you have glue, you should glue this part because yeah, it will secure the macrame knot. So glue that part. I don't have a thread, I don't have a glue with me, so just glue it for yourself. Then now you'll cut off the extra tails with your scissors or cutter, whatever you're using. So cut off the extra cords. So this is how your work will look like. Now you will tie a knot as shown on the video on the ends of your cords. Tie a knot, tighten the knot very well. Also tie the other knot on the other side. Tighten your knot. And cut off the extra cords. So we are done. Now you will fold over the cords as shown, and you'll take the other cord. Remember that we had 5. So now you'll tie a knot as shown. Tie a knot. Make sure the knot is very tight. Then now you will use the same macrame technique that we used in the first part. So do the same for this part until you get to the desired length that you would like. So do that for this part. So once you're done with the macrame, you will cut off the extra cords or thread, and you will glue the sides that you've cut, and we are done. So this is our work. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, also leave a comment and share.